My friends, watch my last video. You'll see how this surge happened because there was people honking and I was like, I don't need to drive UberX. So I turned UberX off, right? I don't know why it's on right now. Yeah, see, UberX is off right now. Because UberX is off, the surge went up to $9. Guess what? If I turn it on right now, what's gonna happen is the surge is gonna go down. I'm not turning it on right now. Maybe it jumps to $15. Maybe it jumps to $20, right? When everybody's honking, it basically means, guys, just drive Uber Comfort, just drive Uber XL. And I don't have a problem doing that because we got to make our money and we got to help all the drivers out, right? And if you look over here, I'm an Uber XL driver right here. I'm an Uber XL driver. I'm an Uber Comfort driver, right? I'm just going to have those two settings on. I don't need to drive Uber X, but who reaps the reward? I reap the reward because all the Uber X drivers are off. They're taking a break. They're going to the bathroom for whatever reason. Guess what? I get to see a piece of that surge. Now it's important to take the next ride for $9 because we're getting paid an extra $10. Most likely, Uber's just throwing a carrot, meaning the ride might still be $20 to go somewhere, and it should be $29, but it won't be. Trust me, it won't be. But it's all good. But I'm excited because look in the background. I got my thumbnails done. Now I'm going to start working on my next set of thumbnails, right? Meaning I'm not wasting any time. Not wasting any time. And if you want to learn about content creation, please let me know. I will be more than happy to add you to my school and show you how to not waste time. Always be working. Be very efficient with your time. I basically just uploaded the last video, how we forced it. And look, watch till the end. This is how you force a surge. And I'm going to post this video on my WhatsApp channel where I have 4 or 5 Uber drivers. And I'm going to tell them to watch this, like, and comment on it. Because this video needs to go viral. This is the first time I've actually caught me working and forcing a surge. And now you guys know. Now let everybody else know on the planet how you can do this at your own airport, right? This is bullshit. We don't need to deal with this. If I look back here, it's gone, right? But I'll tell you what, it was here. Now, because it's gone and everybody turned UberX on, I can turn UberX on. But why? Why should I turn UberX on, right? Why should I turn UberX on right now? I'm a comfort driver. I'm a SUV driver, right? I should get paid for the SUV. My payment is $800 a month on this car, right? But they want to lowball us all the time, right? Not anymore. This is why I create content for you guys every single day. New video, new thought process, new trips, new tips, new tricks. Every single day you guys get something new from me. And it is very busy at LAX right now. But guess what? Uber just wants to pay us UberX right now. No, I'm not having it. Leave UberX off. I'll take the reward from the $9.25 surge. And guess what? I'm going to go right back and work on my YouTube channel. Go right back and work on my YouTube channel. And this is literally what I'm working on my YouTube channel. I'm going at the videos that I uploaded for you guys today. Oh, by the way, yeah, this video is premiering right now. It's letting everyone know in my audience, like, watch this, like it. Yeah, if I premiere something, guys, if I premiere something, please like, comment, and subscribe on that video. I do it once in a while. That's because it has a really good, important message. And when you like it and you watch it all the way to the end and you comment on it, then we're messing with the YouTube algorithm. We're letting YouTube know that this is an important video. Let everybody know. Just 5 or 10 people within the first hour. If you watch it till the end, if you like it, you comment it, and you share it, that video has the potential of going viral. It goes viral. Who does it help? It helps all the Uber drivers, right? I'm literally showing people how I caught and how we forced a surge at LAX, right? And they're not paying us, and I get emotional about it. Now watch. Let that video process, but this is how we're going to change the thumbnails. I'm going to go to the first video today, right here. In the background where I was working, look, I'm not wasting any time. Change this thumbnail, and this is going to become thumbnail number 1. Where's number 1? If you see it, let me know. There it is. Thumbnail number 1, done for my podcast. Make sure it's in the podcast. Good, we're done. Save it. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the next one. You don't have to sit here and watch everything. As soon as this one is done, oh, it's premiering right now. Can I edit it? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this, oh no, I think I want to leave this thumbnail the way it is. Because this thumbnail needs to have the surge on it, right? So this one's going to have the second thumbnail. Now you don't have to sit here and watch me do this. I'll let you know as soon as I get a ride and Uber is crying in the background. I'll let you guys know. Okay, check it out. All the thumbnails are done and it's looking nice and clean. Now I'm gonna go on my other channel, update those thumbnails, and on my main, on my main Uber channel, which is this one right here, RideXServe. Oh, I lost a subscriber. Hey, who left? Probably one of the trolls. And on this one, I don't have the thumbnails updated, but you can kind of see it. But the video that's premiering, I'm gonna share this with my WhatsApp group right now, and I'll show you. This is how your YouTube channel goes viral, right? You go over here. We're gonna go into, I wanna make sure if I grabbed it. Sorry, you don't even have to do that. You basically, what I do is I go over here, share video, copy link, share video. I'm gonna go in my WhatsApp group, and literally I'm gonna tell everybody in my community, please watch this, right? Both of my communities, please watch and comment. Need this to go viral. Okay, now I've told everybody in my community to watch this video, right? Let's go into the RideXServe community right here. By the way, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, let me know. See right here. Now I'm going to tell them why I need it to go viral. Give me 1 second. Now I'm going on my community and I'm telling everybody with a post. I'm going to paste that link here. Boom, done. Right? I'm going to go on my other channel and post it. I'm going to ask everyone, please help me make this video go viral. Watch. Now check out what I wrote. Please watch this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll fix that so it goes viral and helps all Uber drivers. And that's basically what I've done. Now if we go in the background, look, we're on timeout. So I've been making this video for 10 minutes. There are passengers that need comfort. There are passengers that need Uber XL, right? But it won't give it to us, right? Because the algorithm wants us to have Uber X on, and it only wants to pay us for Uber X. So it can charge more to the customers, pay us less, right? It's been stuck on 6 out of 10, but a second ago it was surging, right? Now beggars can't be choosers. I've done my work. I've uploaded my video. I've asked everyone on WhatsApp to comment on it, like on it. I posted it on my YouTube community, and now I'm in a position where I'll say, okay, fine, because you're being a little bitch, and I understand you are, I'll go ahead and turn it on, right? Because now I need to get paid, right? I can't keep sitting here and not get paid. And I'll probably take Uber X. There you go. I'll take it, right? And it's fine, right? But I just showed you exactly how it works. It's just retarded, right? There's Uber Comfort rides there. There's Uber XL rides there, right? And I've got this algorithm figured out. I got this shit figured out, right? I let it build, and then just take that $40 ride to Pasadena. And from Pasadena, yes, we can get somebody coming back this way. Guys, like, comment, and subscribe my shit. You know why? Because this is our union. Our union is YouTube. Our union is Twitter. And that's our voice, right? I'm not a leader. I'm not an influencer, but I will be one day. Why? Because I'm tired of these gig workers. I'm tired of these app companies and Silicon Valley billionaires screwing us all over. And I'm not the only one that's getting screwed over. Residents are getting screwed over. Gig workers are getting screwed. DoorDashers are getting screwed over, right? Instacart is getting screwed over. This is bullshit.